Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Rashid, the founder of Epic Mentorship. This is going to be a 100 days video challenge. So what this means is for the next 100 days, prepare to be seeing this face every day. I'm going to be providing short videos on how to be productive, to stay active. I'll be sharing my tips and tricks on productivity, time management, and generally how to be better. So in short, it's going to be three things. It's going to be lifestyle, it's going to be inspirational, it's going to be motivational. And the one thing that I can promise you is this is going to be educative and impactful. So stay tuned and stay connected to this channel. And always remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more videos like this. So, see you around.